What is that?
It's not a picture, it's a real short.
This is Aquarium Encounters. There you go. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys, look at this homemade crab.
Where is it?
You can. I don't think I can touch it.
Ooh. Let me see. What? Look at all these fishes. Are they hungry? Look.
They are always hungry.
Look how hungry they are. Look. Look how pretty. They're so colorful. Oh my goodness, they're fighting for the food. Dolphins. Oh, let's go check out the stingrays. Aren't they? Look at that. Look at this one. You have to buy food for them. It's I think it's like $3 or something.
Look at this giant one.
Ooh. Oh yes, you open your mouth. Oh, you are so hungry. Look at that one. Look how David, look how he opens his mouth.
I know. Look.
Yes, he sprayed you.
Look at this giant one, guys.
I know. They are so big. Oh, look at that one. Look at this one. He is so big. Look.
They actually did a study. These guys will come up and seek out physical attention. It's not a food-based behavior. They like
Really?
being pet.
I thought they were looking for food.
No, they like
They just
being
love to be pet.
They love to be petted? No way. I can't believe you guys love to be petted.
Yeah, they love to be pet.
That's amazing. Look at this one. Look at the big one. Look at the big one. You touched the giant one. You did.
Touch him.
What? You touched the giant one, David?
Look at the camera.
Touch this one.
Wow, that's so cool. Show off again. Come on, you can do it. Show off again. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Oh, yes. Good job. You did show off.
So we are petting stingrays.
Oh, he's gonna
Here
come
comes
up
the big
again.
one. Here comes. Woohoo! Yay, buddy. Why are you scared of?
My finger.
Why are you scared of him? There's nothing to be scared.
We are feeding the stingray.
You gotta put it against the wall. There you go. Oh, there she comes. Here, Elena's gonna show you. Elena, can you help her?
Yes, please. Give it to me.
Elena's gonna help you. Come.
What do you say? How to do it?
Hold it. She just said to hold it and put it against the wall.
Okay.
Yeah, like, here, help Elena hold it, and you can do it together. And they're gonna come and get it.
Okay. Got it.
Ooh, I'm getting all wet. That's good. Wet is good. Yeah, what is that, Natalia?
It's a starfish.
It's a starfish. Is that a real starfish? What do you think?
It's a live one.
It's a live one. Wow, these are amazing things, right? Mm-hmm.
He's like all the way up on the side. Alright, go ahead. Almost. Go ahead and push it down a little bit.
I'm not doing it.
Alright, go ahead.
So David will do it 2
There
times
you
then.
go. How was that? Does it feel weird?
Do you want to go or you want David to do it again?
And David can do it again.
Okay.
Yeah, so basically he's going to get to do a few behaviors. He'll get to feed him right now, get to pet him twice, and then
I
another
want to
feed.
do a different
There
shark.
you go.
This is the only shark that they have.
And raise him
Yeah.
up here. Go ahead with your left hand.
And I can touch him?
Yep. Awesome. They're called sectorial feeders, meaning that they'll just inhale everything they want to into their mouth. One of their favorite foods are conch, and they can suck them right out of their shell while we have to go ahead and crack it open. So it's very powerful.
Wow.
Żebyś ty widziała 4.
Okay, go ahead. Whenever you throw it.
I'm ready.
Ready? Go ahead.
Oh, oh,
Ooh.
tam rzucił. To woda.
Wow.
O.
Oh.
Feeding frenzy for the crocodiles. Baby crocodiles.
Yeah.
Nie wie, tam leży, ale one znajdą naprawdę.
They'll find it, don't worry.
What does it say over here? Mama, what does it say?
It says no hands in the tank. Look at the little ones.
No, jednego pokazał Natalce, ale...
Nie. Look at this one. He's so cute. Hey, buddy. Do you like those little turtles, Natalia?
They're called freshwater turtles.
Oh, look at this one. This one's walking down.
Idzie do wody.
Ale natura to jest piękna, nie? Coś pięknego. Taka piękna ryba pomarańczowa, zobacz. It's so beautiful.
There's these giant crabs.
They're not crabs, they're what?
There's lobsters.
Lobsters, let's check them out.
There's one more hiding.
There's two of them hiding over there. And then this one, he is so huge. He's looking for food. Oh my. Okay, I think let's go. It's time for
Mermaid!
Yay!
Hi guys, I'm putting on my suit. I already put on my suit and I'm gonna go swim. And there's even a boy mermaid.
A boy mermaid. Let's go check out it's a merman. Let me see your whole suit over there. Oh my god, you guys look so cool. Right?
Just like him.
And here's David, he's going to he's gonna go swimming with the mermaids and mermen. And there's a pirate over there.
And I'm so excited.
And Elena's so excited.
It's okay, guys?
Don't worry. Don't be scared of sharks. Yay! Let's do this. Woohoo! Oh, there comes the mermaid. Hmm?